Welcome to Debbie's Painting and More. Today we are going to make a cute shelf sitter. We're going to take this piece of scrapbook paper and lay it wherever you want. Just on this top part is what we're going to cover. And I like this part. So then I've got to take my hand and rub around it pretty good, because you want to leave an indentation. You can have a pencil and trace, but this is just as easy to me. Okay, see my perfect little design? Okay. Got our piece. Okay, now we're going to take a paintbrush and some white chalk paint. It does not have to be chalk paint, guys. I'm just trying to use up some that I've got just at the very bottom of a thing of paint. I'm going to go ahead and put our Mod Podge on here. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now we're going to heat it a little bit, and that way it'll dry up that Mod Podge and our paint. While that's drying, we're going to go ahead and paint. We've got one of these cute little frames from Dollar Tree. We're going to go ahead and paint it white. Okay, now we're going to take a brush, and I've got some light pink paint right there. We're just going to put it on this brush, but kind of then wipe it off, and we're just going to brush over this like this. Not a heavy coat, not a complete cover coat. We're just going to brush over, just to give it a little pink hue. A little bit of pink. And we'll do the same thing to the other side. Just dry that little bit of pink. And you're going to do this kind of at an angle like this, because we're wanting to kind of smooth out those edges up there. They don't have to be exact. We just want them to look smooth. So I'm going right over that edge, so that paper look how nice and smooth then. Got a tiny piece of foam, and right in the middle I'm going to put quite a bit of glue. It's burnt glue, as you can see, but that's okay. Okay, now we're going to take our little frame Still a little wet, but it's okay. Seeing which side I want to. I think right here. We're going to take right here and press into our foam all the way down. Then we're going to fill that hole full of, in my case, burnt hot glue. Then put it down and hold it. Got to hold it until it dries, okay? Okay. These little things, they come off a whole little tree from Dollar Tree. But we're going to take these, we're just going to cut off the ends, and then that way it makes it a little thicker. Okay, now we've got this brown moss, this reindeer moss, so it doesn't really have form. It's just a kind of generic kind of stuff. So we're going to take here, put a little bit of glue up there. We're just going to put reindeer moss on here. This is going to cover our greenery, our foam. Okay, and then once you get that done, just take it. Let's get rid of what moss is not stuck down. Okay, there we go. That's good enough. Now, all we're simply going to do, we'll start on this side, is we're going to put hot glue up in here. Just like that, so that it can be getting hard. We're just going to stick our little flowers up in here. And we're wanting them to just be sticking out, okay? That's why we wanted that. Oops, didn't cut that one off, see? We wanted that moss to be up in there, so for one, it can catch some of the ends of our flowers. And you do have to hold them as they're sitting in this hot glue, okay? And see how I'm doing them to where they're kind of like that. Okay, I'm gonna finish gluing them in and I'll be back. Okay guys, and there's the finished product. Just a cute little shelf sitter. All right, love ya.